Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be making this great value cheesy potato bake. We've got everything that we need assembled here. So you're going to need your cheesy potato bake. You're going to need a piece of foil or a baking sheet. I'm going to use a baking sheet. You're going to need a knife to cut a slit in this thing. And then you're going to need a food thermometer so that we can make sure it's done in the end. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to go ahead and open this up. All right, that's what it looks like. We're gonna cut a 2-inch slit right in the center here. And then we're just gonna place that on our baking sheet or foil, whichever one you're using. We're gonna go ahead and put this into the oven for around 55 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and take the film off and pop it back in. All right, we are back. It has been 55 minutes in the oven, and now we're just gonna go ahead and take our film off all the way, and then we're gonna pop this back into the oven for about another 10 minutes. But what we're mainly looking for is for the internal temperature to be 165 degrees. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it's been a total of 65 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check our temperature and see how this is looking. All right, so we are definitely above 165 degrees internal temperature. So here is our cheesy potato bake. It is all done. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.